dumating na yung mga orders namin, guys. Mga gamit lang naman yan ni Bebeng. Yan yung ano, yung online shopping dito sa Dubai. So, we're going to proceed with the third one. Rascals, baka naman. Char. Yan naman. Ang daming karton. Yan, mga online shopping dito sa Dubai. Ang bata, oh. Nagugulo na. Just take a picture of everything. What are the things that we have bought aside from that? Hey, smile! Smile! Wow! Wow! Smile! Say cheese! Maui, say cheese! Hi, Maui! Someone's cooking sopas.
Say hi! Say hi to everyone. Hi!
What are you cooking?
Sopas. Hindi ko mabagal. Pero ito ay sopas.
Ha?
They're like the monkeys that I sent to Bob. Wait. Okay.
Be careful. Let's go to kicking. Hi, it's your day off pala today. Oh, say hi to Lolay.
Bigyan mo ka din yung...
Yeah. Kulit niyan. Sobra.
Makulit ka ba? Tignan mo yung banana. King. Naku, yun ang limawi. Baka magbagsakan. Mama! Yes? Matulas ka na ka?
Si Mama's cooking. Favorite sopas. Yeah. Cinnamon salt.
Ang gulang naman ang baby ko. You know, it's hot.
Blow, blow, blow. Blow, blow it first. Blow. It's hot. Blow, blow, blow. Ay, come here. Crying agad eh. Oh, blow.
Did you get his toothbrush? What about your stuff? Protective custody. All they know is that Hank is the only person that's in danger. They're recording us only as a courtesy to Marie, just to keep her happy. How are we supposed to explain that to Marie or Junior or Hank for that matter? I don't know. But you'll do it. We'll figure it out. Hank knows that Marie will be overreacting. Except she's not.
So good.
Talk to Hank. Just back me up with everyone else.
You really expect me to say, okay, well, sure, just stay here and... There's gotta be another way.
isn't. There was. But now there isn't.
How long till you're safe? Till you can work this out.
Kidding. So, yeah, pasalubong. My favorite croissant. Manayupina. Pero, sarap na. This is good, guys. Try it.
Tikman niyo yung croissant.
That's my favorite.
Give me a search warrant. What happened to good old fashioned knock and talk? Oh, that's right. You were never very good at those words.
Stop.
Dapat kasi ito pa painit ba? Alam mo yung pressure? Ganun. Para lumapon siya. So, hanggang kapal ng cheese siya lang ba?
Yes, sir. A friend and I, we were wondering if we could take a look around. Why? Sorry. What's your name? Dennis. Dennis. Hey,
Huh?
I'm Gomez.
Turkey. Turkey.
There's a
Come.
for you. No problem. We just wondering if we could take...
Can you show me? Maui, what's that? Hey.
Show Papa. Show Papa. What's that? What's that? Egg.
Can you call Papa?
Want to take bath with Mama or Ate?
Let's see you coming.
Oh, Mama or Ate? Oh,
Wala daw.
this is?
I'm just checking on Brock.
Wow.
Right.
Like,
This is red. The color red.
Red, red, red. Do you know what color is this? This is...
This is? This is? Red! Ay, ayoko na. Bibidyo na kasi.
what we talked about is playing anyway. Talk about it a little more because what it sounds like you're telling us is that from now on, we have no choice but to do this piddling pseudo cook so that we can pay back your guys. Or else what? Or else they're gonna rat on us and we end up in prison? Yeah, it sounds like what you're telling me, Walter, is that you want to do this.
Ano sabihin ko? Kung ano yung tinatago namin. Yung tinatago kami, guys, na
Is that what you
aparato.
want?
Dahil isang bata dito.
You know, I don't know why you insist on putting words in my mouth. That's me.
Pagpagay ko
No
yung
one
tago namin.
knows. Wow.
Pag nakita niya yan, yariin niya na naman kami. Oh!
Ay, kunwari ko pa, tinutulak mo palabas ng takip ha?
Ano yan? Is that a new pajama?
Yeah. Bilisan mo puti ka, tagal mo pa. Ikita pa ng anak mo.
Gosh. It comes from that direction.
Alam, nandun sa gilid pa.
Here, mommy, there. There. It's there, oh. There, oh, there. There, oh, there. Here.
Natatakot naman ka lang yung zombie naman.
So today is Friday, March 6, 2020. 6.
Wow. Wait a minute.
Hindi pa matapos-tapos. Napagod si Dodong. It's here, oh! Oh, you didn't see it. It's here. Oh, show guys. Hi, mga be.
All clear.
legit talagang iPhone 7 ko. Kung pinahiga natin, ganito na tayo kita niya.
Mind if I ask you a question? No. I guess why you can't get nothing in the water, so you the water? Well,
Kahit again, para Fernando
that's
dyan.
what you like. Wanna fill it in? Yeah, it's all the way down.
Manila vlog, no chips, Amari Jace. There's no chips for not eating anything.
And again, when it's unloaded,
Where's your cup?
the weights don't match.
Where is it?
Train company's gonna know it got robbed. Okay. Boosting methylamine from a train is like a major rap. Point is, no one other than us went down. Nobody. Got it?
Fell down.
Yeah, absolutely.
We have magic, guys. Okay. What? Ooh! Yucky! Ew! Piling kumain, no? Sinubulati. Say hi guys muna daw. Hi guys. Say hi guys, mahal ko.
You want
eh.
magic more?
No, more magic. Enough, ha?
Tada, no. Masakit tumama yung tubig ko sa ano kanina, sa bus.
Ang dami mo
Come on, Junior, I'm not gonna ask twice.
Ang dami recent lumamang ko eh.
No. Here ka nga, oh. Lie down here. Here, lie down here. I can have mama. Here.
Smile. Can you smile, mahal ko? This is big, big, big. This is small, small, small. This is tall, tall, tall. And you poke it all around. And with a hokey pokey and turn around. That's why you go around.
yun, papa.
Ay, is it wrong, mahal ko? Morning.
Well, papa, you sit up, papa.
Good morning. Good morning, guys. So today's morning, Maui. What will I say? Morning, Mama. As for today is sinigang, sinangag, kapesada ni Mama, tuyo, pusit, and egg. Kain tayo. Kain na kami. Mama, can you say about the breakfast? Weekend na weekend. Sarap na tayo pa rin.
Weekend lang sa
Parang ang buhok ko. Parang si Don Facundo ah. Don Facundo. Maui. Hey. See your belly button, belly button, belly button. Do you want Dede? Maui. Hi. Wow. Kawawa. Oops, siya.
Ako one-sided yan.
Siya. Viva pa. Ah. Siya. Viva pa. Dito ba yan ako? Kolotes. Ano ba yun?
Baji, kuya, ba? Talo natin siya.
Si Kiki yung pag sinabi mo nung, Ay, iyak agad.
Huwag naman, Papa.
Ano?
Happy sorry.
Ay. Ayan na yung zombie. Padila-dila ka pa ganun. Hala, dance ka muna daw kay ate. Dance, dance, dance in my hands. Hands, hands, oh, my hands, hands, hands. We don't see no many dance, dance, dance. Hey.
Carrot cake, baker's man.
Sabi mo high five mo. Itatas mo yun.
High five! High five!
Itatas mo rin kami. Bigyan kang alangan.
High five! Oh, high five daw si Kiki. High five!
Chig-chig, chig-chig.
Tagayaway! Tagayaway!
Katulungan na naman yung pangalan ng laway.
Fresh pa talaga. Naisip ko sila happy.
Wow!
Sorry kasi pero bago ka magpadala sa emotion.
Isa-isa lang, Papa.
Kailangan talaga minsan unahin mo muna yung well.
Okay, this one. Small one first.
Ganun talaga.
This is... Wow! Upo. No! Sit down. Sit down. Pupo! You want that? What will you say to Papa? What will you say to Papa? So you can eat. Dali. What will you say to Papa?
Give me,
Give me,
please.
please. No, na. Papa kanina pa siya nagpiplis eh. Ano you show it in the camera, you're saying please. Nam. Tignan mo muna, tikim. Ay, say thank you na lang kay Papa. Wow! Yummy! Yummy? Yummy daw, yummy. Laki na dyan. Yummy. Papa's turn? Hold, dali. Give Papa. Give Papa, not you. Papa naman, Papa's turn. Papa, what will you say? Thank you, Maui. Give Mama. Thank you, Maui. Wow.
660. Ay, 640 na pala. She owes me another 140 for the termination now. So the total is 640.
Enough na.
And you did it 650. Yeah. You did it 650 and you convert it to peso.
Big.
It's 1,209, right? And you're giving me 1,000.
Ah.
And I need another
Papa will feed you. Papa will feed. Mama's turn. Name? What will you say? Gusto ko na talagang kasama. Last na ha? Last. Done. Paano yung all done, anak? All done. Maway. Siloso yan eh.
Ada siya ka Papa.
Atis, mama.
Diba?
Ay! kiss mama? Maui, can you kiss mama? Say, good morning, mama. Malalaglag ka. You will fall. Kiss mama. Kiss, dali. She will give you chocolate. She will give you chocolate. Kiss mama. Ang pogi ni Santo Niño, nakasando. Going to...
One to 8.
Kayaan natin sa Lauten, ano?
Birds?
Where are you going? Go to Ninang Beshi. Give some dates.
Nahirapan kasi siya sa susunod na papa eh.
Hindi. Ganyan din suot niya kanini.
Wag lang anak, wag lang.
Nagmamadali eh. Walk, oh. See, hold mama's other hand.
Wag, hindi na makawawa.
Kala mo, pwede ka na pala maging ring bearer, anak eh.
Papakasabi si Tita Tite.
Hinihingal, ba't kasi tumatakbo ay? Walk only, Maui. May nakita yan siya. Asan?
Yung orange nasa plastic. Naka-plastic, baka nalagyan.
Ayun lang mag-ina. At si Santo Niñong gala. Tignan nyo. Oh. May hawak. Lumabas. It's Saturday today. Lakad-lakad lang. Ninyong gala. Pwede nang rentahan. Taga-deliver ng package. Ayaw talagang bitawan kahit anong mangyari. Huwag lang makakita ng ball. Ha?
Give mama na. I'll help you now.
Mama will help you.
Tabi-tabi. Tabi-tabi po, kakikiraan lang po. Tabi-tabi. Say tabi-tabi. Bye, shark. Walang shark dyan. Halika na. Ala, bala ka dyan. May mumu dyan.
Lumabas kami guys
Tabi-tabi
today.
po. Say tabi-tabi.
Today. Dahil para naman makalabas-labas sila. Ano ba mata? So Maui is pooping guys. He's trying to use his new potty trainer. Say hi Maui. Maui, you'll see this when you're 18 years old. This is your first time pooping in your potty trainer. Diba, umiiri siya guys. Kumain kasi ng yogurt eh, kaya siguro umano ang kanyang tiyan. See, very good naman ang baby pooping in the potty trainer. What can you say, Mama? Mama, can you say? Smile, guys. Look at here. Smile, Maui.
Ayun na, hindi na makikita sa video.
Inangat pa yung pansi. Put it down daw.
Pupo na. Ay!
Mama's dog's pooping.
I think I'm the one who wants to poop.
Ikaw.